Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss ratio and proportion for grade 8. So please watch the video till the end. You will understand each and every concepts. We are going to solve some numericals also, problems. Okay. When we talk about direct proportion, what do you mean by direct proportion? Okay. Whenever increase in one quantity leads to the increase in other quantity, then it is called as direct proportion. First you try to understand. For example, if cost of one pen is 10 rupees, what is the cost of 5 pen? 50 rupees, yes or no? It means if the number of quantities of pen increases, price also increases. So we can write direct proportion as what? If there are two quantities, let's take x and y are there, x and y are there. So x is directly proportional to y. It means if y increases, x also increases. So once you remove the proportionality, you have to put a constant. X is equal to k into y. So what we can write? Y you just move left hand side. So we can write x by y is what? K. That is k is what? Constant. Okay. It means whenever the value of x is x1, the and corresponding value is what? Of y is what? Y1. If x changes to x2, then y also changes to y2. But the ratio of x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. This is going to be constant. Try to understand. X1 in this case, x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. That is going to be constant. Using this, we are going to solve the problems also. Let's see here. Number of pens. Okay. Let's take this is a y and cost of pen is what? X. If number of pen is 1, okay, cost is 10 rupees. If number of pen becomes 2, cost becomes 20 rupees. If number of pen becomes 5, the cost becomes 50 rupees. But check once x by y means 10 by 1, how much? 10 only. Here also see 20 by 2, how much? 10 only. 50 by 5, how much? 10. Means what is going to be constant? X by y is going to be constant. This is direct proportion. Okay, when we talk about indirect proportion or inverse proportion, okay, if increase in one quantity leads to decrease in other quantity, such relations are called as indirect proportion or indirect inverse proportion. Yes or no? So we can write that x is inversely proportional to y. It means if y increases, x decreases. Yes or no? So when you remove the proportionality, you have to put a constant. X is equal to k into 1 by y. Y you move left hand side, x into y is what? K. That is k is a constant. K is what? Constant. Yes or no? So for x1, the corresponding value of y is y1. When it changes to x2, the y changes to y2. But x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Using this formula, we are going to solve the problems of inverse proportion. Here, check once. Number of worker, okay, which is in x, and number of days, which is in y. We are taking a, okay. If number of worker is 50, so number of days to complete a work is what? 10. If number of workers increases to 100, okay, so how many number of days is taking? 5. Just check once x into y. Okay, so 50 into 10 how much? 500 here. 100 into 5 is what? 500. So x into y is going to be constant. This is the main concepts related to the ratio, direct and indirect proportion. I hope you understood these concepts. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.